In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add breadcrumbs in Elementor. If you're designing a website using Elementor and you want to improve navigation, adding breadcrumbs is a fantastic way to do it. Breadcrumbs are those navigation aids that allow users to track their location on your website. They enhance the user experience by making it easier to go back to previous pages or jump to different levels of the site hierarchy with just a click. First, to get started, you'll need to have Elementor installed and running on your WordPress site. Once you're ready, open up the Elementor editor by navigating to the page where you want the breadcrumbs to appear and click Edit with Elementor. This will bring up the page in the Elementor editor, where you can make all your customizations. Now, locate the section in your layout where you want the breadcrumbs to be placed. It could be at the top of the page or any area where it fits naturally into your design. Once you've decided on the placement, you'll need to search for the Breadcrumbs widget within the Elementor editor. If this widget doesn't appear in your options, you might need to have an SEO plugin like Yoast installed, as it often includes a breadcrumbs feature that integrates seamlessly with Elementor. Once you've located the breadcrumbs widget, drag and drop it onto your selected area on the page. You'll immediately see the default breadcrumb trail appear, giving you a visual representation of the navigation path for your site's users. At this point, you might want to customize the appearance to better fit your site's design. Elementor allows you to tweak the style, typography, and even the separators used between links in the breadcrumb trail. In the Elementor settings area, dive into the Style tab where you can adjust the text size, color, and font. The key here is to ensure the breadcrumbs are legible and easy for your audience to see and use. You can also change the separator style to dots, arrows, or lines, based on what fits your aesthetic best. After making these adjustments, don't forget to test how the breadcrumbs appear on different devices. Elementor offers responsive design features, so make sure you switch between desktop, tablet, and mobile views to see how they render across various screen sizes. This step helps ensure that all users have a consistent and seamless navigational experience, regardless of the device they're using. Finally, once you're satisfied with how everything looks, remember to save your changes. You can do this by clicking the Update button at the bottom of the Elementor panel. This will publish the changes live to your site, and your users will now have the benefit of breadcrumbs to enhance their navigation journey. So, that's how you add breadcrumbs in Elementor. It's simple yet effective in improving site navigation and user experience. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.